Good afternoon. It is August 21st, 2025. And today, on this chart, it appears to be a range day. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So, we got it's a bare body with a tail on the bottom uh, in what is now looking like a weak bear channel, but we could get a breakout to the low side. But we haven't been below this 21 bar EMA in a very long time. It broke below it back in June, but we haven't had, wow, April 22nd was the last time we had a gap below the EMA. So, wow. So we're still in this uptrend. Uh, yeah. So anyway, 2700 tick chart looks like a broad bear channel to me. Uh, let's see. This could be it. This looks like it fits. So we'll take a look at this. So from here, it appears you're in a bear channel in the overnight. Comes down here 5 o'clock, comes in. I guess, people like that we're at this level of support and they like how far we are from the EMA. So some buying comes in, comes back to the trend line, actually a bit short of it the way I have it drawn, makes another leg down before it bounces. And now you have sort of a double bottom. So again, people like that signal bar at this level of support, they buy it, goes back to the EMA. And people just took their profits right there, boom. And then you make a triple bottom back to the EMA. And I do, I mean, I like this. This is aggressive. You're still in a bear channel, but I like this. EMA is holding, and I like this, and I like this for going short. So this one you probably only scalp out after that bull bar. I don't think you want to stay in. And this one you have to probably scalp out too after you get this bull move. And then you get this one, and that's a nice move down. Let's say almost 10 points. So we go a little further, trap some bears, come back to the EMA, and it looks strong. There's no gap above the EMA, but we make a higher low and we bounce. And I'm not too sure how you could know that, but I mean, there is some support right here. So I think that's pretty tricky to me. What is going on here? And then you get this very strong bull bar at about 7 a.m. and that creates a spike in channel. Uh, Perhaps this is the channel. We get a break. One leg down, two legs down, then two legs up, and we can't make a new high. I don't really see anything in here that we could get in on. You do get a second entry short. If you have this trend line drawn and you want to take that second entry short, that's actually technically a third entry. So not the most ideal setup now that I see that, but there is some room back to the EMA. Um, I think you can consider that. It turns out to be a nice move. You can see we get the spike, the channel, and then the sideways stuff right here. Uh, we bounce around a little bit. I don't think you can take anything in here. Maybe you can, if you believe this is going to be a range, maybe you enter with a limit order here and, put your stop maybe above a measured move, hold to the bottom of the range, We come out, we get a breakout pullback. Uh, and if I understand why you would take this if you think we're going to test the bottom of this channel. And that's what we do, and we bounce. And I don't think you can take this. This looks like a tight bear channel. And we just went sideways. Wow. So really from about 10:53 to the end of the day. That's about, I don't know, 25 bars or so on this 2700 tick chart. So yeah, the last about 32 bars of the day, you're just going sideways. Um, so there's a look at the daily chart. Here's the weekly chart. We bounced off uh, the bottom of the channel. This, I thought this was yesterday's bar. Nope. I guess it's today. Oh, this is the weekly. Oh, right. Yeah, yesterday we bounced off of this level of support in the trend line, so we'll see if it holds. And let's take a look at August. August looking like a doji. So we'll have to wait and see what the next week or so brings, but that's how I saw it today. I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.